What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, and we're back with the Bathroom Chronicles. Y'all showed so much love to that last video. I can't help but bring it back to you. And roll it back, because we're going to be rolling it back to a time, oh my gosh, a long time ago. Do y'all recall when, if you had a pimple, a zit, or whatever you want to call it, that you would put toothpaste on it? Yeah. Well, somebody asked me, was I still doing the DIY for the Vaseline and toothpaste? Let me tell you this. I have so many amazing DIYs that I hate to say this. That's not one of them. It is not one of them. Back in the day, we used to do the toothpaste, like the Colgate, put it on the zit and it'll help dry it up. And if you know what that drying up does for the skin, you'll probably understand why I don't, at my big age, do any type of toothpaste on the skin. Now, I could have easily just put on some Noxzema. Why didn't I? I don't know. But no, I opted to do the Vaseline and the toothpaste. So let me tell you the real deal about those two ingredients. Vaseline I love. I still use it on my neck to help with the wrinkles, okay? I still use it overnight on the neck, but on the face, not so much anymore. But on the neck, yes, because I don't break out in pimples and things like that on my neck. But even for my face, I have gotten to the point where I've pulled back so many things that it's been such a long time since I've even had a pimple on my face. But when it comes to doing the DIY hack for Vaseline and toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste precisely, y'all, let me tell you this. Your girl's mature skin paid the price. Excuse me, but I do have to shave my face tonight. And I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't have a light in here that's super bright, but we're going to make it do what it do. I have got to shave my face because I'm going to actually do my laser tomorrow. Y'all, but telling you the truth about that, after a while, I ended up with some sensitive skin. I ended up with, in certain areas, like on my cheeks, a little irritation. So I had to stop using it altogether and had to move towards restoring my skin. So that's what I want to talk to y'all about. I'm just going to use this little razor to shave off a little peach fuzz on the face, y'all.
Yeah, truth is everything isn't for everybody. Whereas I did try the Vaseline and toothpaste for some time, I did learn the hard way just how damaging certain quick fixes can be, especially for mature skin. I was hoping for smoother, clearer skin, but instead I actually got irritated, red, and extremely sensitive skin. The combination of Vaseline, which can clog pores, and toothpaste with its harsh ingredients like menthol and baking soda left my skin after a while feeling somewhat raw, a little inflamed, and I quickly realized that my skin needed serious care to recover. So I started a routine to restore my skin. I focused on gentle healing products and a routine that helped to heal and restore my skin. The first thing, I have used it up, but I tried the Ceramide moisturizing cream. And this cream, it's packed with ceramides. I'll just pop it on the screen here. It's packed with ceramides to help rebuild skin barrier. And I also added aloe vera gel to soothe the irritation and hyaluronic acid serum for deep hydration. Over time, my skin did regain its moisture and calmness, and I learned to trust products with simple, proven ingredients rather than relying on certain DIY hacks. Patience and the right skincare routine made all the difference, and my skin is back to feeling balanced and healthy looking. But when it comes to those products, Vaseline, aka petroleum jelly, and toothpaste, be aware. When it comes to Vaseline, the downside is that yes, it can clog pores, it's greasy, it's not breathable, and you can have potential irritation. Vaseline forms a thick barrier on the skin which can trap dirt, oil, and bacteria in your pores. This can lead to breakouts, particularly for acne prone skin. Vaseline is heavy and greasy, so it will actually leave that residue on your skin.
Oh, just to pause, I did shave my face with this aloe flower essence gel, just to give it a little slip. And now I'm going to wash my face. But carrying on with the topic at hand, and y'all know my favorite face wash is the Rice Water Bright, the foaming cleanser. And I am totally hooked on using these disposable towels. This is by Sky Organics. It is the Gentle Clean face towels, and I want to thank them for sending these over. I have been loving these towels so much, especially when you have makeup on and you don't want to destroy your towels with makeup, because makeup is hard to get out of things, y'all. Pretty much everything it gets on is going to stay for a minute. But these towels are amazing, super amazing. And I want to thank them for sending these over to me. I just pop these out and do my facial cleansing every night, whether I have on makeup or not. I just love them. They have one side that's kind of texturized and one side that's smooth. And honey, this actually does a little bit of exfoliation on the skin. So I love that so much. But carrying on with the topic at hand,
Y'all, and when it came to the toothpaste, white toothpaste on the skin, yeah, we back in the day we would just put those chemicals all over our pimples and so forth. But toothpaste on the skin, it's a no-no. It's a no-no. I understand, it can help in one sense, but my skin nowadays, older, gets more irritated, and that toothpaste did cause some irritation, cause dryness. You get chemical sensitivity. It throws off the pH balance of your skin and can basically damage the skin barrier over time. Toothpaste, especially the white variety, contains ingredients like the menthol, fluoride, and baking soda, which can be extremely drying and irritating on the skin. This can also result in the redness and flakiness and even burns in some cases. And toothpaste is formulated for teeth and not the skin. And some ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate or artificial colors may cause allergic reactions or irritations, especially on sensitive skin areas like the face. And if you use the toothpaste, it's typically more alkaline, while the skin has a natural, slightly acidic pH. Using toothpaste, as I mentioned, can cause a pH imbalance, and that'll disrupt your skin's delicate pH balance, which leads to further irritation, dryness, and potential additional breakouts. So we know that prolonged use of toothpaste on the skin can definitely weaken the skin's natural barrier function, making it more prone to infection, dehydration, and other skin issues. Yeah, no, it's a no for me. My mature skin cannot go through that any longer.
So yeah, I would use like pure aloe vera gel, but also this is amazing too. But before I would put this on, I would use my hyaluronic acid. And this one is by The Ordinary.
She's walked so strong. Now it's her time. She can't go wrong. No matter the season, no matter the
And I would just drag it down my neck as well.
still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar.
And that same gel, that Aloe that I put on to shave my face, I'll go ahead and apply it as well.
Dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond breakable, never afraid. She's been through the heartache, weathered the
And y'all, all of this is light enough, whereas if I wanted to go ahead and do my red light therapy, I can go ahead and do that as well once this dries down. And after then, I can apply a Ceramide moisturizer. So I've gone through the process of that, and my skin is back to normal now. So I was using these particular moisturizers, and let's talk about what we have here. These particular ones are drugstore, budget friendly type moisturizers, but that Ceramide is really going to help to restore the skin. But now I currently am using at night the Drunk Elephant Boar Barrier Repair Cream. This I got in PR, so it was kind of expensive. So I probably won't repurchase this. I will probably just go for something that I reach for quite often. Like this Daystar Collagen Cream. I've been using this for a minute. This is a different kind of collagen cream from Daystar. I don't know if it's the same brand or not, but I accidentally hit the wrong button on Amazon and ordered this, but it's pretty much like the same texture. I don't have the other one anymore. This is the one I've been going through right now, but tonight we're going to use the Drunk Elephant. So this is how you apply it, like so. But my skin has been doing really well with any of the items I've been using on it so far. This is pretty thick, but it doesn't clog my pores or anything, but it definitely does the job in restoring and repairing. I drag it down to my chest, like so. And beautiful babes, that is basically it. And I just put on a little lip balm. These, of course, are my favorites from Avon. Y'all know I love me some Avon. Y'all know I love me some Avon. Lips are moisturized, face is moisturized, and I am ready to call it a night. Okay. But that is it. If you have any other questions, please drop them in the comments. I know maybe a few of y'all have been with me since I did Sweet Angel show, or formerly known as Beauty by Sweet Angel back then. And you may have some questions about some of the DIYs that I'm using or I had used, and if I still use them or not. So that is why I'm sharing this information and wanted to bring it to y'all. So hopefully this was helpful, and now you know, now you know. So I will see y'all on the next video. Take care until then, beautiful babes, and stay beautiful. Stay.
She's been through the heartache, weathered the storm, still standing tall in grace she's adorned. Wisdom and wonder wrapped in her soul. Every new chapter she's taking control. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in